Meghalaya Post.news.
Lampang kayeng dorbar Thomas A. Sangma ula pentep baka ofes jung kalayo pedang ka city na ka TMC bat Kongres Meghalaya ke balapan pau ban trelang na kabenta ban shimti ka shuki nong ilam hakaliang persya bat opposition chief whip habakran cikilat patai kubor ulampang ulong ka TMC kalakam baka bun pait ban shimti ka shuki nong ilam liang persya hakajing kersan ka Kongres ngalayok pedang ka city bat ngan sa syong bishar ong ulampang shushu ulong ru bakaliang persya bakan thob ka TMC bat ka Kongres kadon ni kajing bun pa 10% haying dorbar banru pongut ki MLA lada kenya ki kandon jing bun pa ke TMC ber ko Kongres kadon ni kata lo ong biang ulampang
on his personal capacity is not like that. The TMC has stayed clean for the post of leader of opposition with the support from lone Congress MLA Mr. Ronnie Wheeling. The letter of there's a letter of submission claiming staking claim to hold the get the position of leader of opposition, but I'm still examining it. I have received it, and I think I will be making a decision very soon. 10% in a house of 60 is there because they have now total of 6 members, which is just exactly 10% of the total strength of the house. So in that criteria, they have fulfilled that criteria. But there are other things. This is not the only, requirement. So I'm still reserving my decision. I will take a call on that very soon. I will not take much time. Sorry. As per the claim of the TMC, as they have the support of one lone Congress MLA in the person of Sri Ronnie Wheeling. So they have they have requested that the post of LO be given to TMC and the opposition chief will be given to Ronnie Wheeling.
Meghalaya Post.news.